All I know is there's a train in 3 minutes. That shit would never fly in Malaysia. Where I'm from, in Malaysia, you stick your hand in the door's closed, you get dragged for like a mile. Right? You get brought to your knees by the system. As the train runs over you, it starts going after your family, right? You start like bleeding out on the tracks. The doors open, we all walk over your dead corpse. Yeah, that's what you get, you dumb fuck. Not in America. In America, one man can stop the entire train line. Because everyone can make a difference.